Okay. You tell him. We are right now at the Coconut Village. Yeah, with the Philippine friends at Baolok Coconut Village. Okay. Very fun. Say something. Philippine.
Mayong buntag!
Là rừng dừa Cam Ranh. Rừng dừa Cam Ranh rất là đẹp mùa mưa.
Đi đâu phụ xe
Hello. Say something.
Hello, a nice place. Oy, nindot dire. Arimi sa lingin nga bangka.
Okay.
Tuyok-tuyok meron dire.
So now 2 people, 1 boat.